Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Dhan to TradingView in 2026. For that, first of all, open your web browser in PC or laptop. Over here, in the search bar, you need to simply search for tradingview.com. Once you are here on TradingView, you need to log in into your account if you haven't already. Now, by default, you will be shown this type of homepage of TradingView. So here on this particular page, use the search bar on the top. Then you can click on the option of stocks. Over here, you can launch any of the charts that you see here. For example, let's say I've launched the chart of Bitcoin here. The chart doesn't matter. You just have to come inside the chart page over here. So on this page, click on the option of trading panel in the bottom left hand corner of the screen. After clicking on it, in this particular row, the fourth option would be of Dhan. So this is exactly what we are looking for. If you are not able to find it over here, you can click on the option of this search icon on the top right hand corner of the screen. Then you can simply type Dhan here. Once you are able to find the Dhan application, click on it, then click on the option of connect. So as soon as you click on the option of connect, it is going to redirect you here on the website of Dhan, where you will see this type of QR code in front of you. So you need to scan this QR code from the side menu of the Dhan application in order to log in with TradingView in your Dhan app. So this way, after the authentication, like after basically scanning this particular QR code, you will be able to connect Dhan to your TradingView account very easily. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.